see brown. I see black still. It's okay.
Second chance, got one life until it ends. Then catch your breath, then go get ready now. Till nothing's left, no, I ain't gon' let me down. Tell me what you want, think about what you need to do. You ain't got shit to prove, just do that shit you go. Do cause I like it, yeah, move like I'm fighting, yeah. This shit's exciting, it's got me feeling ignited, yeah. Go all in on something new, trust your gut, it's always true. Best believe it's all on you to do the things you gotta do. Pop out after dark, everybody else is sleeping. My shit is getting hard, I know that's what leads to change, yeah. Shots out to the race, move fast. If you wanna get ahead, gotta get it when you gas. When I get a head start, never wanna look back. So it's 5 a.m. on the way that's back. Push past any pain that's drag. If you wanna be the best, gotta face the baddest. The fastest, go savage. Brag, but you gotta turn me to someone rising up the negativity. It's no beat the best of me. I stay on this course and see my dreams unfolding in front of me. One life, one shot to get it all we got. I love it, I ain't gonna stop. Pop off the top, yeah, got this shit to share. 13 million deep, feeling venues everywhere. I was made to fight by my people built to care.
I thought it was me, but it was the person next to me, so I started to rush.
I know that you ain't gon' get a second chance. Got one life until it ends. Then catch your breath, then go get ready now. Till nothing's left, no, I ain't gon' let me down.
Alright guys, so I'm home from my car wash and I got some sheets, bowl. I kind of want to add ranch to this and see how it tastes. So I'm going to add a little bit of this because, yeah. Let's see how it just tastes. Alright guys, if you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
Here to party, don't want it to end.